What's up, guys? We back. What another video. So today we at the range. We're gonna be shooting the new firearm I just picked up, Glock 17 Gen 3. We're gonna get some rounds through it, make sure that it works. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna load her up and then I'm gonna do a magged up and then pretty much just a little field day. Just go ahead and shoot and have some fun, you know? You see my bait? Oh. Knock it off.
I just... My face.
You're gonna violate the guidelines.
Shit. Can't even have no fun. No fun at all. Look, I got the Rams. I got the Rams. I got the Rams. Damn it, I can't get four of them. Yeah. Oh. Almost. Look, oh no. Somebody has a headache. Oh, you didn't give me a black glove, huh?
What? Glock 17. Shooting 9mm Fiochis, 124 grain. And we're shooting some PMC 115 grains. So this is 115 grains first.
Somebody said they recommended those Fiochis, so.
Clear.
Baking soda. I got baking soda. Baking soda. I got baking soda.
All right. Now the Fiochis, 124 grain. Slide lock. Boom.
Got some good ones in there. Oh, both arms?
Yes.
What the fuck?
Now go. Over good. Down. Thumb down. Right there. Are you aiming at the guy? Or you were just shooting?
I was, I guess.
Take the mag out.
I don't know. I guess maybe I didn't get him.
Put it up there.
Poor guy.
Huh? Loaded. Empty. Shoe and ready. Take the maggot. Done. All right, there your turn. Got it. Shoe and ready.